My escape from the Nazi prison could be entitled "The Enemy of My Enemy is My Friend." This friend's name is Pavel. He led a red recon team wiped out by the Nazis.
So, how are you, чувак? All right? Oh, you are tough, huh? No wonder they made you a ranger. Follow me, don't stop. Security, make way!
Fortune has smiled upon us. Our scouts have located a real treasure trove. Legendary B6 bunker complex. Huge storage facilities filled with supplies. There is medicine and enough canned food to sustain the Reich for 100 years. And enough weapons for us to wipe the freaks and genetically impure from the face of the earth. But D6 has been seized and occupied by Führer! What do you want? Adiobre! Two prisoners in front of the guards and escape! What the hell are you doing here then? Go get them!
Какого хрена? Где они?
Get these swine!
Ник! Capture them! Эй, Артём!
Stop shooting! Jump!
Hands up! Fuck! Crawl through here! Shit! You're right! Hold on, Артём! Hold on! There you have it, sucker! On the ground! On the ground, you bitch! Do not shoot! Hold on, Артём! Артём! Hold on! Just a little more! Bastards, блин! They're opening the gate! Drop them! I see them! There they are! You piece of... Stop them! Okay, let's get out of here!
We pulled off the impossible. Now I have to inform the Order that the Dark One is missing. Which means to acknowledge that I've failed my mission. But now, when he's down in the metro, I won't be able to find him alone. I have to get to the nearest neutral station, and then to Polis. The Order's HQ.
Okay, looks like we lost them. Then we'd better hurry to the theater. There's nowhere else to go, huh? Чувак. Are you alright, чувак? That's great. The armor works wonders. Shit! A dead end. Hold on! Whew. End of the line, huh? Well, there's no helping it. Okay, we hoof it from here. Follow me. No, I don't remember seeing this tunnel on any map. Whew, we're still on right territory. Be careful. Опа! A pipe! Come here, Артём! Right! Okay. Wait here while I look around.
Shit! Hey! A spy! Drop him! Real fucking ninja. Let's take him to the guard post.
And what if this fuck is not alone?
Attention, second guard post. Check your sector of the tunnel. We've got a rat in the vents here. Stay sharp. There might be more. Roger. Checking that. Over.
This is a fucking mess! A communist rat found in our tunnels!
is not the one I'm worried about.
Right. Who knows how many more of those bastards are lurking in the shadows?
Who's there? Who is it?
Second hardpoint. What's the situation?
All clear. Over.
Roger.
Sleep deprivation does play its tricks. Hey boy! Boy! I'm up! Where are you? It's just my imagination after all.
What? I'm not sure about it. Oh, shit. Sleep deprivation does play its tricks. These mutants. We keep killing them for so many years. There's no end to them. Looks like we're botching it. Hey, is it... Huh? Seeing some brass would seem a welcome change now. Not mentioning that. What the? Seems like someone. Shit! I'm hit!
I surrender, you hear? I surrender! Let the bigwigs duke it out! I've had enough!